Maintenance training for Tunisia's ANKA System program has been concluded. The training for the ANKA System exported to Tunisia has been concluded. The maintenance personnel from the Tunisian Air Force were instructed on ANKA-type maintenance and gained new capabilities during their 7-week training. The program is moving ahead of schedule. The maintenance personnel from the Tunisian Air Force completed their 7-week type maintenance training for the maintenance and operation of ANKA systems exported to Tunisia. During this important phase, which needed to be completed before the product delivery according to the schedule of Tunisia's ANKA program, participants were trained in technical English, avionics, electrical systems, mechanics, aircraft engine, ground systems, and structures for the planned and unplanned maintenance operations to be carried out by the user.